Anyway, so I'm getting I got a nice knot in it. And then I'm gonna get me I probably better use a screwdriver. I'm gonna get this screwdriver out. I got my screwdriver out, and I gotta come around here, get me get my knife, because I don't want it to be I don't want that tail to be too long. See how long it is? So I got that cut off, and all this extra strappage. Now I'll put this knife in my pocket so I don't lose it somewhere. Then I'm gonna take this screwdriver. My hell! Crazy bastards. Hauling ass past me. But I'm gonna put this strap on here like so, and then I'm gonna it's a lot easier to do this with then I'm just gonna keep wrapping it. Oh, I broke it. That didn't work. I gotta put another piece on here. I might be able to get it. I don't know. Maybe if I fold it. I don't know. Trying to find a place to put you so that you can see what's really going on, but I don't really have no place to put you, and I really need two hands for doing this. Well, anyway, I'll come back to you here in a second. Well, okay. I I got that wrapped on there pretty hard, pretty tight. And I'm gonna use the duct tape so that I can maybe that'll hold it. Maybe it won't. I don't know. What do you think?